Hi friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is time for a new club set. Now, I'm really excited about this one because I really love it. I mean, I probably say that with all the club sets, but you know what? With the club sets, they're always so general in theme. Not general like as in ew and boring, but general as in you can use it for a lot of different things, which is nice because it's always nice to have a stamp and die set that is sent to you automatically that is very versatile, that you'll use for this and that and this and that and birthday and Thanksgiving. You know what I mean? Like you're going to use it more than just once. Well, are you ready for this? It is called birdbath2stamp, and look at those cute, adorable little birdies. I love them, first of all. I just absolutely love them. Now, I want to point out really quick, I'm giving you a little tiny sneak peek. See this little tiny birdie down here at the bottom corner? Keep him in mind. Keep him in mind. I'm not going to say more than that, but something is coming in the future. Oh, I can see the future. And you're going to go, oh, I remember she talked about that little birdie in the corner. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. But look how cute this stamp set is. It says, I'm grateful for you. You make my life happy. Hello. Thinking of you. I'm so sorry. And my friend. So isn't that cute? Now you could say, you make my life happy, my friend, or my friend thinking of you, or my friend, I'm so sorry. The cute little butterfly and the little birdies flying to the water. Now there is an add-on stamp and die set, so make sure you go check out that video as well. Now, my club members, guess what? It's freebie month. That means I'm sending you a little freebie just to say thank you for being in the club. This month, it is a cute hi die. It's in beautiful handwriting. It says hi with a shadow die. You're gonna love it. And it's just my little gift to you as a little thank you saying, hey, thanks for being in my club. Okay, now club members that are in the stamp club are gonna get this. Club members that are in the stamp and die hard club are also getting the dies. You get the freebie too, but you're also getting the dies that match. Here we have those cute little birdies and that fun, the fun bird bath. Now, of course, club members, you also get that handy dandy postcard that shows you a couple ideas. More ideas are on our website, and I'm going to show you some ideas right now. But the nice thing about these postcards, and I don't usually talk about this, but the nice thing about these postcards is it shows the add-on sets. So you can make sure you can check your collection, make sure you have those. I highly recommend you keep all of them together in one of the storage envelopes. That way you can look at this and go, oh yeah, I want it. Yeah, oh, I need that set. And you can go get it, or if you already have it, keep it all together. Now, let's look at our fun samples. You might see a few sneak peeks for the add-on set in these samples. But here's a gorgeous one, and I absolutely love this, especially the background, how they use the cloud stencil that we came out with on the hexagon stencil as pink for the background. Now, you might see some sneak peeks on this one. Here's a cute one using acetate to hold those cute little birdies up and turning it into a fold-it card, kind of. Isn't that cute? You can put in there, wishing a special person a very special birthday. But isn't that cute? I love that. Here's a gorgeous one. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Oh, I'm seeing some more add-on items. You're going to really want the add-on set. I'm just telling you. Okay, here's a cute one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Look at this. I love that. I love that little birdie in the water. Isn't that cute? The little birdie. We have little birdies, little sparrows that come by our house every once in a while, and I like to I put crackers out for them once in a while. I just think it's so fun. They're just so fun to watch. I love to watch little birds. Look how cute this one is. I love that. Ooh, look at this gorgeous. It looks great also on slimline cards, which is nice because you can use the height of that bird bath. Or you don't have to use the bird bath and use just the birds, right? Because it's a very versatile set. This is with our tree fold it. You can turn it into a card, thinking of you. Look how gorgeous that is. Imagine sending this to someone. You're going to knock their socks off. Absolutely knock their socks off. Now, here's an adorable one. Not using very many dies, mostly just using the stamps. Look how gorgeous that is. Here's a fun one and another sneak peek for another day, but look at how gorgeous that is on the step-up card. And last but not least, another stand-up card, slimline card. Look how gorgeous this is with those little birdies. Add extra birdies. You don't need to use just those. Add more and more and more. They're so fun. Now, club members, Ken gets up extra early to get these in the mail to you. They're already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you need to join. You're going to miss out on that freebie if you don't join. If you join this month, For limited supplies, we do have a couple of the freebie dies left, so get in quick. If you join today, your first shipment will be this set, so you'll get it, and it'll be fantastic, and you'll love it. And it's only $11.95 a month, and that includes the stamp set each month, and a 15% discount on the new items that are coming right now, and everything on our website. Not just the new items, everything. So, my friends, thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.